Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix right-click slow or mouse right-click not working on Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click run as administrator. Click yes to continue. Click and expand HKey classes root. Click and expand directory. Click and expand background. Click and expand shell ex. Click and expand context menu handlers. Delete all keys except new and work folders. Close and exit registry editor. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.